Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q2 S line 35 TFSI. It's dressed in the gorgeous Daytona grey, Shudston heads when on the road. To the rear you have the privacy glass adding a touch of sophistication, all while standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5-segment spoke design making a bold statement. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The LNI multimedia display going into phone apps to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as Dynamic for a more sporty drive or Comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And Driver Assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below you have the manual air conditioning so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature. Stay connected with the full charging point, 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. This approved used Audi Q2 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.